Ponchip Nakirunkono from Bangkok, Thailand.
We've now interviewed 5 of our semi-finalists. We have 5 to go, beginning with Miss Thailand, Porntip Nakirunkono. Porntip, she won the national costume competition, incidentally, and she attends Pasadena City College. Now, how did you get to be Miss Thailand from Pasadena?
Well, you don't have to live in Thailand to be a Thai person. I hope to set a good example for the Thai people in my country. For I am a Thai person, and yes, I did grow up in Los Angeles, but I'm a Thai person throughout, and I know I live the Thai culture, and I speak the Thai language, and I just want everyone to know that I am proud to be a Thai woman.
Who first taught you your English?
My English? Well, English wasn't allowed to be spoken at home. Only Thais was spoken at home. That's how I kept my language. So I think I owe it to Big Bird. I watched Sesame Street a lot when I was a little girl.
I learned mine from the Cookie Monster. Yes, I understand. Now, I know that you have a charity project for Thai children that you work on.
Yes, unfortunately, Thailand's not only a beautiful country that's rich in culture and tradition, but it has its problems too, and our children is one of them. In fact, 10,000 of our children died last year of malnutrition, and I'm hoping as Miss Thailand I can make a difference for these children.
You certainly will. Keep up that good work. Miss Thailand?
ปุ๋ยก็เล่าให้เพื่อนฟังทุกๆคนว่าปุ๋ยโชคดีมากที่ปุ๋ยเกิดที่ประเทศที่สำคัญที่สุดและพิเศษที่สุดในโลกและปุ๋ยอยากจะเชิญพี่ๆน้องๆให้เขาจำในใจว่าการเป็นไทยคืออะไร What does it mean to be Thai and just to hold on to how special we are as a nation to be Thai is to represent is to have honor. Are you proud to be Thai? Yes. You're proud to be Thai because to have Thai is to have honor. We have the hard work of His Majesty to teach us purpose and meaning and duty to our families, duties to ourselves, and duty to our country. We're a very proud nation, and we're a gracious nation, which means we give. When people come to visit Thailand, what's the first thing they experience is the gift of our smile. Everybody smiles here because we smile from our hearts, because we are proud. And we show that pride in our smile, in our wow. And this is a nation of respect and honor. And I want, everyone to remember that, because that's who we are as a nation, and that's why I'm so proud to be Thai.